If you're a fan of creamy crab fillings, you'll definitely want to try my Crab Rangoon Nachos. Thanks for tuning in. To start, take your wonton wrappers and cut them in half diagonally. Place them in a single layer on a prepared baking sheet and spray them with a little bit of nonstick spray. Place them in your preheated oven for 5 minutes and then turn them all over. Spray them with a little bit more nonstick spray and back into the oven they go for 3 to 5 minutes until nice and crispy. For the Crab Rangoon filling, combine your imitation crab, the cream cheese, garlic powder, and Worcestershire sauce. Mix until smooth and set aside. Place all your wonton chips on the baking tray and then cover with small dollops of the filling. Cover with your grated cheese and then a bit more of the imitation crab. Finish off with a little bit more cheese and in the oven it goes for 5 to 10 minutes until heated through. Cover with sweet chili sauce, sesame seeds, and green onions for garnish. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.